Hi everyone, it's Lisa with ThinkingInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video, we're going to make a really cute score pad for your family game nights or friend game nights using the Game On stamp sets. So I have a piece of basic black cardstock and it is cut at 8 1/4 by 10 3/4. So you just slice off a 8 1/2 by 11 piece of cardstock, a 1/4 inch from the 8-inch side and a 1/4 inch from the 11-inch side, and you're ready to go. And we're going to make two simple scores at 5 1/4 and 5 1/2. So let's do that. 5 1/4, 5 1/2. And so that just makes a very narrow spine. And we're going to be using just a 8 by 5 legal pad that you can get at most office supply stores. And so we're going to just fold on these score lines, and this is going to make the cover. Now I like to do a closure on these type of books or notebook covers. And so to close it, I am going to put a piece of ribbon. This is just some white ribbon, and it's about 20 inches long. I'm going to wrap it around, and I want the sides to be about equal because I'm going to use it either to tie a knot or tie a bow to tie the little book closed. And you can put a little bit of adhesive here to hold the ribbon in place. Let me take the lid off here, and that would help while we put some designer paper on the front. Now I have a piece of designer paper, and it is cut at 8 by 5, and this is from the Playful Pets collection from the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. And I liked this miniature stripe in real red, and so we're going to put that over the ribbon and on the front of our little book cover. So let's see, I'm just going to center that like that. And then that's ready to go. So let's work and jazz this up a little bit. Very easily, a piece of 5 by 2 inch designer paper in a matching or coordinating print. I decided to use the stripe again, and I'm going to put adhesive right here on the front label and line it up with the bottom. Oops. And then adhesive on the back. And then I'm going to fold that over very easily and press down, and we're good to go. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put that inside of our book so we can tie it up and it will be ready. And these are so easy to make that when I run out of sheets of paper in this particular book, I just make another one. Okay, super easy and fun. Store it in your drawer and then pull it out for game night. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and tie this bow just to get the ribbon out of our way. And then we're going to simply embellish the front from some of those stamped images from the Game On stamp set. So I'm using some Whisper White cardstock and this Royal Flush stamp, real red ink. I'm going to stamp that right there, easy. And then I'm going to take this Lucky Me because I have you, and we're going to use just a part of that sentiment. And now I'm going to take my paper snips and very easily cut around this. I leave an 1/8, a 1/16 of an inch. I don't cut on the line. I like to leave a little bit of space around the edge. I think it just looks nicer, and it doesn't give you the opportunity to cut into the stamped image. So I've always found it to be easier to do it this way. And it works out just nicely. Okay, I've got that image. Now for this, I wanted to just use Lucky Me. So I'm just going to chop that off. I think that's a great little sentiment for the front of our score pad booklet. And this is a great stamp set if you have families that like to play games any kind of board games, or look, even for the chess lover. I mean, great cards too can be made with this. Okay, so now I wanted these to stand out a little more from that striped background. So I used my Tasteful labels dies. These are from the In Good Taste suite from the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. And I used a large label, which is right here, and then this little banner. So I could have a backdrop for both of my stamped images. So let's take the Royal Flush here and just put it over top. And then I have Lucky Me. And somewhere I do have the cut die. Here it is, hiding beneath the other. So let's go ahead and I'm going to get my silicone sheet so I don't get adhesive on my work top here. Let's move that out of the way and just simply center that, and it's a perfect fit. And now all we have to do is put our images on the front of our book. And this would make a cute gift too if you have friends that play games or have bridge night, or going over to their house to play games, and you can bring this little gift like a hostess gift. And I'm going to put this Lucky Me up here. Okay, there you go. There's a cute little score pad made easily with the Game On stamp set. You can find the supply list on my blog at inkandinspirations.com. Let me know if I can help you, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.